Hi guys, my name is Prabhav and today was day 40 and I think I'm again and again doing this thing and it's like a cycle. I don't know how fast this day goes. The day ends very soon. I feel like I have very less time in my day. I think just a moment before I have recorded my video of day 39 and it's already day 40. It's very fast. Today I went to college and attended 4 to 5 lectures and when I came back to library I didn't feel like studying, so I didn't study at all today. Or I'll say I did one lecture today. Tomorrow I have to go back to Shimla. It's 9:15 bus. I'll try to cover till 9:15 3 subjects. Okay, let's see what can we do tomorrow. I think I have to go to college or not. I'll prefer not going. I'll wake up. It's 12:30. I'll try to wake up at 7:30 and complete my 3 subjects. Try and complete my 3 subjects: audit, accounts, and law. No, accounts, audit and tax. I'll not cover law tomorrow as my tax is falling behind, my audit is falling behind, my accounts is falling behind. I think I have covered much lectures of law. I have a buffer of 6 to 7 days. I'll cover law later, or I'll say my hierarchy or sequence of attending lectures in a day will be: I'll first revise audit and law in beginning of the day, and then attend a audit lecture, attend a tax lecture, attend a accounts lecture, and then my last part of the day, last lecture of the day will be law, because I've seen most times the last lecture I am not able to cover the last lecture, so law will be at a less priority now as I have covered much. I have 42 lectures more to go. I'll try to cover 15 to 17 lectures till my college exam. I have to cover accounts. I have to cover a lot, and tax, indirect tax, and yes. So signing off, guys. See you tomorrow. I'll record tomorrow's video from middle of the route. And one more thing to say, that I have project submission on Monday, but as I am going to Shimla, I'll not be able to submit that, and I've asked ma'am if she allows me to submit it on Wednesday. If she doesn't allow, fuck it. I do not bother 10 marks. I'll cover that in exams. I have priorities. I have to go to home. That's an emotion. My new home. It's once in a lifetime experience. My new home's puja, and it's important for me to be there. And later I'll go to Johorji Mela, and that's also a sacred place for us. And yes, 2 to 3 days I'll enjoy family time. Yes. So signing off guys. Thank you.